Welcome to today's tutorial. Before we get started, if you decide that ExitLog is the right choice for you, I have a special link in the description where you can get up to 50% off on the yearly plan. In this video, we're comparing ExitLog and GearUp Booster in Valorant to see which one provides the better gaming experience. We'll be looking at connection stability, ping consistency, packet loss, ease of use, and overall performance. So let's get started. So first, let's test ExitLog. So ExitLog is built specifically for online gaming and uses multipath routing technology to optimize the connection between your PC and the Valorant servers. After selecting Valorant, you can apply the recommended routes, launch the game, and join a match. While playing, pay attention to your packet loss and whether your connection remains stable throughout the game. One of ExitLog's strengths is maintaining a consistent connection during long competitive matches, especially when your ISP's default routing isn't deal. Now let's switch over the Gear Up Booster. So here GearUp Booster works in a similar way by optimizing the route your game traffic takes before it reaches the Valorant servers. Setup is straightforward. Select Valorant, apply the optimization, and start the game. During the gameplay, you can compare the same things, your average ping, connection stability, and whether you experience any lag spikes or packet loss. In terms of overall performance, both applications can improve your gaming experience compared to playing without a gaming optimizer. However, the result will always depend on your internet provider, your location, and the Riot server you're connected to. If your main concern is maintaining a stable connection during competitive rank matches, both applications are capable of helping reduce routing related issues. When comparing the two, ExitLog offers more control over routing options and is focused primarily on PC gaming, while GearUp Booster, on the other hand, provides a simple setup process and also supports multiple gaming platforms, making it easy for users to play on different devices. Rather than focusing only on the lowest ping, pay attention to how stable your connection feels during an entire match, and a steady connection with fewer spikes and less packet loss is usually more important than saving a few milliseconds of latency. At the end of the day, there isn't a universal winner. One application may perform better than the another depending on your network conditions. If possible, try both using their available trial periods or refund policies and see which one gives you the best experience on your connection. If you're primarily a PC Valorant player and want advanced routing features, ExitLog is a strong option. If you prefer a simpler interface and play across multiple supported platforms, GearUp Booster may be a better fit. And that's it. I hope this comparison helped you decide which gaming optimizer is the better choice for Valorant. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more ExitLog tutorials, comparisons, and gaming optimization guides. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.